So we are living in this era of AI where AI can do a lot of things, right? Uh, Sometimes it can make us question that whether we should learn a particular skill or not, right? So for example, if I talk about art, okay, drawing, okay, and drawing something, sketching something, okay, painting, okay, these kind of skills. So one could make an argument that oh, AI can do these things as well, so what is the point of human doing it when AI can do it even faster? Okay, it is like that, that uh, AI can basically write entire novels, and very good novels AI can write. So what is the, so from the perspective of reader, what is the difference if a human is writing a story or a AI is writing a story? Does from the perspective of reader, does it bring any value uh, for the writer? Okay, it doesn't matter if writer is an AI, if a writer is a human. Okay, so one can say that what is the point of having the skill of writing something, writing a story, writing a novel, if AI can write it more better or more fastly, more quickly? Okay, there are a lot of skills which in today's time AI can do a lot more better. Okay, then should we even learn those skills, or uh, should we not? Okay, so yes, there are some skills which AI can do a lot more better. Okay, but still there are a lot of skills which will be helpful for you for your own survival. Okay, so for example, we can say yes, drawing art, okay, painting, sketching, writing, poetry, okay, all of these skills could be done by AI better. Okay, but there are still a lot of skills which will be helpful for you, which is important for you to learn. Okay, and the one I can think of is cooking. Every human, okay, literally every human should know how to cook, even if AI can cook it better in the future. Let's say in the future we have a kind of technology where AI can cook it better. Still, cooking will be a very important skill for you to learn. Okay, because let's say you got stuck in the middle of a forest, there will not be any AI to help you to survive. You have to survive on your own. Okay, so survival skills, skill to find food, uh, skill to cook food, okay, that is very important. Skill of language is very important. Okay, because AI will not be available for you at every place. Okay, in order to find a meaning of your own life, okay, that is very important. Okay, and I am not saying that I'm not saying that sketching is now bad thing, painting is now a bad thing, writing is now a bad thing. No, they are not, they are still not bad. Okay, but now you have to think about the value you are going to provide. Okay, so for example, if you are writing a frictional story, which a AI can also write, okay, both will be same. Okay, and because AI can do it much fastly or more better, then people could prefer AI. Okay, but still there could be value in writing. For example, if you are telling your own story, okay, so in this way, let's say if you are telling your own story, okay, so that kind of writing is more valuable, because the reader will know that they are not only reading a story, they are reading your story. They will know that. So that is the positive value in writing now. Okay, so you just have to basically think more deeper now. Okay, that in order to compete with AI, now you have to think about what are the things which you can do specifically, uh, which can provide positive value for the reader, for the viewer. Okay, anyway it can provide a positive value. Okay, if AI can cook, that doesn't mean you shouldn't learn to cook. You should learn to cook for your own survival. If AI can write, then you should also write, but now you have to up the game, like telling your own story or telling your own feelings. Okay, because you will have a upper hand in terms of feelings, in terms of your experiences as comparison to AI. Okay, uh, now if one day AI get more feelings and experiences as well, then once again you have to up your game again in some another way. Okay, it is all about finding new ways for a positive value when you are trying to learn a skill. If you are learning cooking, then positive value is your own survival. Okay, if you are learning writing, then positive value could be your own personal experience as a human, your personal emotions. That is something reader would like to know. That is something uh, reader would like to experience. Okay, want to know about you. Okay, so that is what I am doing as well. I also write. Okay, I write my own journal. One day I will show you my journal as well. I write poetry as well, and my poetries are on my own feelings. Okay, so I am basically telling the reader that whenever I am reading a poetry, I want my reader to know that these are my own emotions, these are my own feelings, and that is how there is still value in my poetry as comparison to AI. There is still meaning in my writing as comparison to AI. And I also try to learn cooking, so there is still value in me cooking because it will help me in my own survival. Okay, so if AI is catching up with us in different things, there are still a lot of ways, still many ways in which you can up your game, in which you can compete with AI, in which you can be better than AI. All you have to do is to be curious, ask questions, think different possibilities, think as much as possible, and you will find a lot of ways in which AI can't compete with you. Okay, so keep moving further. Don't get discouraged by AI. Okay, and uh, and keep learning. Okay, do not stop learning. Okay, because you will not lose by trying and not getting better than AI, and you will not lose at that time. But if you stop learning, then yes, you will definitely lose. Okay, so keep learning, don't give up. Thank you for watching.